Print from your Android device to any HP printer using a USB OTG or on-the-go cable. Before you can print, you must have an HP printer with the hardware set up and powered on, an Android device that supports OTG printing running OS 4.0 or later, the HP Print Service plugin installed on the Android device, and a USB and an OTG cable. An OTG cable is not included with your printer and must be purchased separately. Connect the square end of the USB cable to the USB port on the rear of the printer and the flat end to the USB port on the OTG cable. Plug the micro USB connector of the OTG cable into the micro USB port on your Android device. On your Android device, tap the option to set the HP Print Service plugin as default, and then tap OK. Print documents and images saved on your Android device or from a cloud storage account. Open the item you want to print. Tap the menu or share icon, and then tap Print. On the Print Preview screen, tap the down arrow to view the printer list, and then select the USB printer. Expand the Settings window if necessary, and adjust any desired print settings. Tap Print or the print icon. The picture or document prints according to your settings. Continue printing or disconnect the OTG cable for safekeeping.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.